Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 20. It's solving an inequality, and they want you to graph the solution. Very first thing is solving inequalities is basically the same process as solving equations. And the question before, question number 19, was also solving equation. About 40% of you got that one right. I said 60%, but it was actually 40%. But very few people got this right. And I'm not sure if it was the solving the inequality or the graphing part that messed people up. So I'm going to go through this. All right. First thing, I'm going to do this in boxes and circles, just like I did before. That gets a box because it's an X. That's a circle. That's a circle. All right, now I'm going to draw inequality, a line down through the inequality. I'm going to move this -5 over to this side. If I cross the line, I'm going to change the sign. I'm going to make it a +5. That's the same thing as adding 5 to both sides, by the way, guys. So the fact that I'm just adding 5 over here is the same thing. You're doing the opposite of -5. So a -21 plus 5 is going to be a -16. And then I have a -2x on this side. Remember, the last step when you're solving equations or inequality is whatever number is next to the variable, you divide by that number. So this is going to be a -2, and this is going to be a -2. So we're going to have 1x, and over here we're going to have a +8. Now, this is the only difference. I'm going to say this 5 times. This is the only difference. One more time, or 2 more, 3 more, 4 more times. This is the only difference. How many more is that? This is the only difference. One more time. This is the only difference. The only difference between solving equations and solving inequalities. If you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality. So the original inequality was a -2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to a -21. Oops, I didn't flip it. Doing all that talk, I still didn't flip it. It should be this way. It should be less than or equal to. So now I have to flip the inequality because I divide it by a negative number, right? So my answer is going to be starts at 8, and remember, it's going to the left. That's what I'm doing. So let me go and actually do this on the Delta Math website. All right, so our answer is x is greater than or less than or equal to, sorry. And now I'm going to go down to the, oh crap. Okay. I messed this up. I didn't, oh crap. I don't, okay. I'm going to have to back out. Let me go back. Previous question, come back. All right. Yeah, let me do this again. So it's going to be x is less than or equal to 8. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go this way and submit it. All right. That's it. I hope that helps. We are going to go over solving equations, solving inequalities in the upcoming week. All right, I'm going to stop and I am going to post this. Where is my stop button?